My name is Dakshandi and I have created a device called Ecodrifter to remove solid floating waste from water. The world has produced more plastic in the last 10 years than we did in the whole of last century. Almost half of the plastic is used just once and thrown away. Shoppers worldwide use approximately 500 billion single plastic bags annually. That's about 1 million bags per minute. If you join these bags end to end, you can circumnavigate the globe 4,200 times. This problem impacts India in a bigger way. I have created a device called Ecodrifter, a device that collects floating plastic waste from water and aims at providing an affordable, autonomous, AI-based, solar-powered device. The current device is created on a trimaran outrigger concept, a boat made up of three connected hulls, one main body, and two side bodies, left and right. The boats are made using sunboard and joined using UPVC pipes. A plastic net is attached at the back, which drags the waste along with it. For control, I used an Arduino microcontroller, a FlySky transmitter and receiver, and a L298N motor driver. The boat is maneuvered by four 500 RPM Johnson motors using three 12-volt lithium polymer. The navigation is guided by the Raspberry Pi 5 camera module trained by ML using YOLO algorithm. Here is a quick demo of our product in a real-life environment. The breakdown of the circuit design and connections. So the components used are an L298 motor driver, an Arduino board, a FlySky transmitter, and receiver. Then there are four 500 RPM motors, Johnson motors 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are two 30 RPM motors, 1 and 2. There are three 12-volt lithium batteries used. Now coming to the connections, four motors are connected to the L298 motor driver module, 1, 2, 3, and 4, all joining to this. With two motors attached to the brushes on the sides, 1 and 2. On the FlySky receiver, only single pins from channel 1 and channel 2 are used. Channel 1 is connected to Arduino digital pin 2 and channel 2 is connected to Arduino digital pin 3. The receiver is powered through its VCC pin, which requires a 5-volt supply. To supply this 5-volt, I tap to the 5-volt output from the L298 motor driver. The Arduino board is powered through its pin, which is for voltage input, and shares the ground with the rest of the system. I trained a machine learning model using the YOLO algorithm to detect garbage in images. YOLO is a super fast neural network that can identify objects in real time. I trained it with hundreds of images of water trash to recognize different types of plastic floating in water. When it spots trash, the PI sends commands to an Arduino microcontroller that controls the boat's motors. Right now, the device can start from a home position, identify where the most trash is concentrated, navigate to that spot, circle around to collect debris in its net, and then return it to its starting point all by itself. Ecodrifter could collect 2 to 4 kgs of trash in one go. Plastic is mixed with a lot of industrial discharge, sticks, and other forms of trash, which damage the propeller multiple times. In future, we want to build a more sturdy version of this device for lake cleanups. Thank you.